Do TDS and TCS make you nervous? You don't feel confident while filing the returns? Welcome to TDS and TCS Mastery. We will be discussing how to apply for a PAN card, how to apply for a PAN card, how to deduct TDS, how to deposit TDS, while depositing if there is any mistakes, how to correct them, and how to prepare the TDS returns, how to download necessary softwares, how to upload TDS returns on income tax portal, and how to do the reconciliation on TDS TCS portal, how to validate a PAN card on TDS TCS portal. We will be discussing everything, whatever is necessary in TDS and TCS. By the end, you will not just know TDS and TCS, you master them. Enroll now. Get structured and step-by-step path to filing the returns like a pro.